Good morning, family. Today, I am the super chef. I will make perfect pancakes for breakfast.
Oh, really? A super chef? Last time you cooked, you burned the eggs, Leo.
I am very hungry, Daddy. I want a giant pancake with lots of sweet syrup, please.
Watch this amazing flip. 1, 2, 3, up. Oh no, where did the pancake go?
The pancake is sleeping on the ceiling! Daddy is a very funny chef.
Sleeping on the ceiling?
That is very silly. Let me help you cook, my super chef.
Breakfast was delicious, but now we have a big problem. I cannot find my left shoe anywhere.
Do not worry, Daddy. I am a great detective. I will find your missing shoe right now.
Look over there, Detective Sam. Buster is holding Daddy's shoe. He wanted to play with it.
Thank you, Buster. You are a very silly dog. Now I have 2 shoes. We are ready to go outside.
Ah, the fresh air feels amazing. The sky is completely blue today. It is a perfect day for the park.
Look, Mommy. I see a beautiful butterfly. It is yellow, just like my favorite t-shirt.
Yes, it is very beautiful, Sam. Nature is wonderful. But now it is time to get inside the car, please.
Click! I am wearing my seatbelt. I am a big boy, and safety is very important. Let us go!
Great job, Sam. Safety first. Everyone is ready. Starting the engine now. Next stop, the Big Green Park.
Hooray! We are at the park! Look at the big trees and the blue water.
This park is so peaceful. Whoa! Hello there, little squirrel. You walk very fast on my shoes.
You are easily scared, my brave driver. The squirrel just wanted to say hello to our family.
Daddy, are you ready to play catch? I will throw the red ball very high into the sky. Catch it! Ah!
I got it. I caught the ball. Falling down is just part of my amazing secret game plan.
You are the funniest player in the world, Leo. Stand up, brush off the grass, and let us sit together.
Daddy is a soft green mountain. I love playing games with my happy family so much.
Playing games makes us very hungry. It is time for a healthy picnic lunch, my sweet family. Come and sit down.
Crunch! This red apple is very sweet and juicy. Apples are my favorite fruit. They make me strong.
Oh boy, this sandwich is a masterpiece. Wait a minute. I think the green lettuce wants to escape from my mouth. No, Buster. Do not look at me with those sad puppy eyes. Human food is not good for your tummy.
Do not worry, Buster. I brought a special crunchy treat just for you.
Good boy.
Always eat what is right for your body.
Wow! The juice is bright orange, just like the sun. Drinking sweet juice makes me very happy.
Eating outside in the fresh air is the best feeling.
Whoa!
Look at the blue water over there. It is sparkling beautifully. All right, team. The wind is blowing nicely. It is the perfect weather to fly this beautiful rainbow kite.
I am ready, Daddy. I will hold the string very tight. Throw the kite high into the blue sky.
Here we go! Running fast! Oh wait, why are my legs stuck? Help! The kite string has captured me like a giant spider web.
You have to watch where you are going, my funny hero. Flying a kite requires patience. Let me help you untangle this string.
Wow! Look at it fly! It is so high up in the sky. The wind is very strong.
Oh no! The kite decided to take a rest. The hungry green tree caught our beautiful rainbow kite.
Look at that! Buster is a superhero dog. He saved the kite for us. You are a very clever boy, Buster.
The park was fun, but now we must buy food for dinner. Welcome to the magical supermarket, everyone.
Wow! The supermarket is very big and bright. There are so many colors everywhere. What are we gonna buy, Mommy?
We need fresh vegetables to make healthy soup tonight. Look at these beautiful red tomatoes, Sam. Can you count them for me?
Yes, I can count. 1, 2. There are 2 red tomatoes, Mommy. I am very good at counting.
Watch my amazing juggling skills. 1, 2. Ouch! The yellow lemon jumped on my head. That was a big mistake.
Daddy is a funny clown, not a juggler.
The yellow lemon gave you a big kiss on the head.
We have tomatoes, broccoli, and lemons. We paid for the food with the credit card. It is time to go back home and cook.
Shopping is finished. Look at the beautiful sunset, family. The sky is painting itself with orange and purple colors. It is time to go home.
You had a very big day, little guy. Close your eyes and rest. I will drive us safely back to our cozy house. Shh, let us be very quiet. Our little boy is dreaming. Home sweet home at last.
First, we must wash the vegetables with clean water. We want our food to be healthy and perfect for our family dinner.
Look at my hands, Mommy. There are so many soft bubbles. I am washing away all the tiny dirt from the park.
I must cut this green cucumber perfectly. Thin slices. Very slowly. I am a true artist in the kitchen. Well, that was unexpected. I think my forehead wanted to taste the fresh vegetable too. How silly.
The soup smells absolutely wonderful. The red tomatoes and green broccoli are cooking perfectly together. Dinner is ready.
I am the best assistant. I am setting the table. 1 plate for Daddy, 1 for Mommy, and 1 for me. Mommy, I do not want to eat this green vegetable. It looks like a strange little bush. I only want the hot soup. Roar!
I am a giant hungry dinosaur. This is not a vegetable, Sam. This is a delicious green tree from the thick jungle. Yummy. Eating trees makes dinosaurs very strong and tall. Do you want to be a strong dinosaur too? Roar!
Roar! I am a baby dinosaur. The green tree is actually very crunchy and sweet. I like it a lot.
Good job, my strong dinosaurs.
Eating green vegetables gives you vitamins. They help you grow big, smart, and healthy.
Okay, just 1 tiny piece of bread for the good boy under the table. Shh, do not tell Mommy.
Dinner was fantastic, but look at this floor. It is time to clean up the toys before we get ready for bed, boys.
Beep boop. I am the giant cleaning robot. I will pick up all the blocks. Beep boop. Mission starting now.
Beep boop. I am the little robot. I am putting the toys in the box. Working together is very easy and fun. Silly Buster. That is Daddy's brown shoe, not a toy.
You are helping in the very wrong way.
Great teamwork, my lovely family. The floor is completely clean. Now it is time to brush our teeth. Look at me. I have a white bubble beard just like Santa Claus. I brush my teeth up and down to make them clean. That is perfect, my little Santa Claus. Brushing our teeth every night keeps them healthy and strong. Keep brushing.
All done. My teeth are super clean and shiny white. Now I am completely ready for my soft bed. My bed is so soft and warm. Mommy, Daddy, will you read me a bedtime story about the brave dragon?
Of course, sweetie. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a friendly green dragon who loved to fly high.
Roar!
The dragon flapped his giant wings gently in the night sky, watching over all his sleeping friends.
He is fast asleep. Good night, our little star. Sweet dreams until tomorrow morning.
Good night, everyone. Remember to always smile and love your family.
Love you all.
See you next time.